Hey, what's going on, guys? Vega here from Serpent X Special Forces, and I'm a little bit late on starting this video, but I just wanted to show you this real quick. This is a 2005 Acura TL. As you can see, the fender, if you watch my past videos, has been replaced. This is a completely different color than this, but compared to what it used to be, had a big dent in it. So I replaced it, got something off the junkyard, and here it is. The color looks great, but unfortunately the clear coat on the other objects or the rest of the car is coming off, so I'm going to have to paint it, especially with that scratch. Anyways, the point being, or the majority of this video, is side skirt removal. Here are the clips that the side skirt clips into. They're a little bit of a pain, and I also broke one on the back here. But basically you're going to have 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4 that actually screw the side skirt into, or the wheel well protector into the side skirt. Once you get those done, what's hard about this is this clip will break on you too. And the way you pop this sucker off is you open the door and you kind of work it, but you're pulling, because the side skirt where it clips onto the back there, you're pulling the side skirt towards the front wheel well. And what's supposed to happen is, if it will focus, is this clip is supposed to slide off of it. You see how that sits in there? See that hole? It's supposed to slide out this way. So it's going to be a little bit cumbersome, and you're going to have to put some force into it. But open up the door. Also, there's a bitch clip that goes in underneath here. As you can see, I was trying to force it. I'm not too worried about that, but that bitch clip connects up underneath the car. You'll find it. Once you undo that, open up the door, grab the side skirt. It's going to be a little bit cumbersome. And this part right here, this little lip, locks into place on the rear side skirt. But when you pull the whole side skirt towards the front wheel well, all of this is going to come out in the right direction. Just make sure you're going along the side of the car. Don't pull out towards you as you're pushing out towards the front wheel well, okay? That's the best advice that I could give you to avoid breaking clips. Like I said, I broke some, so learn from my mistakes. Hopefully this helps you out. I've seen guides online in different forms, but wanted to make a video on it. Hopefully this helps out somebody if you do need to remove the side skirts. Rear side skirt's going to be the opposite. You remove the clip. There's also another bitch clip underneath, but there should be some clips on the inner of the wheel well. Undo those, and then you're going to push towards the back of the car. Again, not pulling towards you as you push back, just pushing back. You're going to have to get a little forceful with it, but it will come loose. Anyway, just the last little bit. The easiest way to put the side skirt back on, I found, was to take the clips out of the actual holes that I showed you. Like if you twist them diagonal, you can pull them out, put them on the side skirt, and then push them in. Because when you're trying to pop the side skirt back on, because of the fender mounting point right here, this part won't actually go in unless it's right here. And in order for you to slide it back on, you can't, because it's hitting the mounting point. So again, pop the clips off and put them on the side skirt, then pop the side skirt on, and you'll be able to, put it back together. I did break this clip, but because the fender liner has 4 screws, it's holding it in there, so no harm, no foul. I will get this car put back together. I'm glad I got my new fender. I just need to get the whole car painted, sanded, clean up some of these scratches, dents, clear coats coming out. And yeah, thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Comment below. I normally do my computer stuff, but I'm an automotive guy as well, or car enthusiast, or automotive enthusiast. So hopefully this helps you out, guys. Take care.